Aging is inevitable, but sagging skin doesn't have to be. Before you consider costly treatments with potential side effects, explore these natural, home-based skin tightening remedies. Regularly massaging with natural oils like coconut, castor, almond, or olive oil can boost blood circulation, reduce wrinkles, and tighten skin. Diet plays a crucial role too. Incorporate vitamins A, C, E, and K to support collagen production. Drink at least 2 liters of water daily is essential for maintaining skin elasticity. Yoga isn't just for flexibility, it's also a boon for your skin. By enhancing blood flow and body strength, yoga practices contribute to firmer skin. Cucumbers are skincare powerhouse. Apply cucumber juice or a mix of mashed cucumber and yogurt to your face for a natural tightening effect. Milk and honey are a dermatologist-recommended duo for skin tightening. Mix raw milk with honey and a few drops of vitamin E oil for a homemade firming cream. A face mask made from mashed bananas and honey can moisturize your skin and reduce signs of aging. Apple cider vinegar is a natural astringent. Dilute it with water, apply to your skin, and let it work its magic to reveal tighter, fresher skin.